It's Easter. That's right, Easter Sunday. We are out hiding eggs. I'm the Easter Bunny. We're out at my father-in-law's, riding moto, keeping our 6-foot distance away from everybody. And yeah, just having a good little day of family. Okay, Corbin is riding the little 50. He's on the Honda CRF 50, just cruising around right here. You don't even have to move like you were earlier. They can't even hit it. Okay, it's egg time. We got 3 boys. They've been in quarantine. They're ready to get out here and get some eggs. We got, how many eggs, babe? 111 eggs for 3 kids. That's a lot. So we're over here in the backyard. My father-in-law is riding a little moto. Just got done hiding the eggs. Easter Sunday, keeping our distance from one another, 6 feet apart. Still trying to, you know, spend time with family. So we're gonna let these boys hunt out these eggs.
It's called 60 and RX. Come on, let me catch it one time.
Okay, you got buckets. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
How many are you gonna find?
50, 20, or 80. No.
Wait, 20?
90.
He said 50 and you say 20? You gotta
90.
set your standards a little higher.
90. 100.
How many are out there?
111.
111.
I'm done. I'm done.
Day, you're dropping some and runner because they're deeper. They're not outside they shouldn't be outside the track. There might be a little bit outside the track.
Yes.
Nope, don't give any ideas. How do you get it down?
Trying to tweet.
There's an easier way. There's an easier way. Come on, think.
Oh, do you want to sit?
Corbin. So close. So close, Cameron. Come on. Oh, Keegan got knocked it down. Oh.
Where's my basket?
Good job, Keegan.
Where's the one?
From the deck down, so you guys.
Found one.
Okay.
Oh, Willie. Oh.
Oh, he got the one in your glove.
Stop.
He looking on Uncle Ryan's leg. Turn the key on it.
We're supposed to catch it, Keegan. Oh!
We turn the key on it. If Mom had chapstick in her vest, where would it be? Oh, there goes that one.
Too far.
They're not that far out, Cameron.
If Grammy had cigarettes in her jacket, where would they be?
Oh, good job, buddy.
Keep looking, Corbin. Go that way.
No, Grammy, don't have it there.
Oh, someone might have.
I spied 2 of them just now.
Okay.
Deegan,
Don't
keep
step
looking
in
at
the poop,
keep
Corbin.
looking at bikes, dude. Keep looking at bikes.
Oh, that's cute. I love it.
I go, look, I snuggle with it.
Slow it down. Okay, so a little bit more to the right.
Yeah, but this, I know, I snuggle, instead of my other pillow that I snuggle with,